Hello everyone, this is Kevin presenting CS50 Project 0. As per the requirements, we have 3 pages: the Google search, the image search, the advanced search. On the Google search, we have 2 links at the top right corner to go to the image search and the advanced search. For the image search, we have a link also to go back to the Google search. On the advanced search, we have a link to go back to the Google search. Testing the Google search. We have a list of searches with the first one being Nairobi Wikipedia. Let's go back. Testing the image search, Nairobi, the search button being the search icon, gets a list of images. On the advanced search, we have 4 input fields with each having their label, corresponding label, and their descriptions. The advanced search is divided into 3 columns, both columns being left aligned, and having a blue search button with white text. Testing it. As you can see, we get this format. Let's go back. Google search. Let's test our lucky button. Feeling like, as you can see, we have been directed to the Nairobi Wikipedia page. Let's go back. Okay, now let's test our CSS aesthetics. As you can see, on the Google search page, the items are centered, and also testing the responsiveness. You can see that the page is responsive. The image search, it is responsive and also having the Google and image logo with the 2 search icons. For the advanced search page, as you can see, the page is responsive with going back to the Google search page. And there you have it. Thank you.